In just the past year, I've made over $41,000 by adding music deals to the YouTube shorts that I post. And while other gurus will not show you the channels that they actually own and how much they made, the main channels that I worked on was this one with my co-founder, AJ, who's made an insane amount of money from YouTube ad revenue in the past year. So then I partnered with him and scaled his strategy up on two other channels. One was Stories Told, which made $12K from ad revenue, and one was Loving Creatures, which made another $5K in ad revenue. But a lot of the revenue that we made as a business from running our faceless YouTube shorts came from adding music to them. So in this video, I'm going to show you what a music deal is, how to get it, and most importantly, how much money you can actually make from it. Let's get started. So a YouTube Shorts music deal is basically when another company will split the revenue that they make from you using their song with you. So on my channel, Stories Told right here, if we go to the YouTube Shorts, we can see that on pretty much every short that I upload, it has a song called Echoes of Solitude by Blastoff Music. By simply putting this song on your video, a company like Blastoff will make money from that, and they're willing to split the revenue that they make. And when you add these songs, the company Blastoff actually makes money per 1,000 views that this video gets. And since you chose to use their song instead of anyone else's song, they're willing to give you a split of that revenue. So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, normally YouTube Shorts looks like this. They take all the ad revenue that was generated from shorts and they put it into two pools. One pool for the creators and one pool for the musicians. The size of these pools is based on how many songs were used in the shorts that were played on YouTube that month. Then as a creator, you get paid for your share of the total views in the creator pool, and same for musicians. They get paid based on their total share of the views that musicians got on YouTube Shorts for that month. But with music royalties, it starts the exact same. There's the big YouTube ad pool, and then you get paid based on your share of views from the creator pool from YouTube ad revenue, and then the musicians get paid from their share of views from the music pool. But when you decide to use their song, there's extra views now on their song, which means that the music company is going to make more money. But instead of just keeping that all to themselves, they obviously want to incentivize you to use the song, so they split the revenue from the extra views that they get on these songs 50-50. They take 50% for providing the music for you, and then you get 50% for just adding the song to your YouTube video. And that's why we were able to get a 12-cent RPM for just the songs that we were posting, because this made Blastoff Music extra money and they split that with us 50-50. So now that you understand how this works, I'm going to walk you through how you can also get a YouTube Music royalty deal. Step 1, go to the link in the description and just create an account with Blastoff Music. It's completely free to start. Step 2, click on My Channels, and all you have to do is connect your YouTube account. And by the way, you literally don't have to be monetized on YouTube for this to work. You can start earning on day 1 of uploading on your channel as long as you use their songs. So connect your YouTube account. Then next, go to their music library and find a song that works with the types of videos that you upload. So if I upload a happy video, I might look under the happy genre and listen to a couple songs until I find one that works with what I would want to post. Then all you have to do is upload your video with the song that you picked on YouTube. And yes, you do have to upload from your phone, so let me show you how you would do this right now. You click on upload, you can just add the short that you were planning on uploading. Let's say I was going to upload this one. And then at the top, you can just click on add sound. Let's say I wanted to add this song called Candy Drops by Blastoff Music. I would just look up Candy Drops by Blastoff on my phone, and then you can see it shows up right there. So I just select this song. And then at minimum, you have to make sure the volume of the song that you added is at least at 15%. So I'm just going to turn it to 100%. Because I don't need it to be low, but if you do need it to be low, make sure it's at least at 15% so YouTube picks up on it and Blastoff can claim the revenue from it. Then you can just go to upload as normal. And Blastoff has a very nice dashboard, so within 2 to 5 days of uploading, your revenue will be automatically tracked, and you can see it either in the homepage like this or under the My Earnings tab. Now lastly, let's say you start doing this, but your RPM keeps changing and you're not sure how to increase it. That's the last step of this video. And so there's a couple important things to note. The first thing is that for some reason, you only make money based on premium views. So anyone that watches your video that doesn't have YouTube Premium, you actually won't technically make money from that. Now, as far as I know, there's no real specific way to target YouTube Premium viewers, but I still think it's important to know that information. But in terms of how much you actually get paid per 1,000 views, the most important thing for this is where your viewers are from. This is true with YouTube Shorts ad revenue, but it's also very, very true with YouTube Shorts music revenue. So if you want to increase your RPM, make sure that you are making videos in English to try to target people in the United States, which will make your RPM, or the amount you actually get paid per 1,000 views, significantly higher. And yeah, that's how YouTube Shorts music royalties work. Again, on my faceless channels, you can see here on Stories Told, we literally would post basically every single video with the same song, Echoes of Solitude by Blastoff Music. And so if you can add music music to your shorts, this is just a free way to print. You literally just add the song when you upload the video that you were going to upload anyway. And this way you don't have to wait till you hit the 10 million views within 90 days to get monetized on YouTube. You can just instantly start earning. So yeah, that's how YouTube Shorts music royalties work. And if you want to join the biggest community that's actually transparent, showing the earnings that they make and how in the Make Money Online space, my Discord with nearly 21,000 people will be in the description. And this is genuinely the best place on the internet, in my opinion, to learn how to make money online through legitimate ways where people are actually transparently sharing the best things that they've learned. As always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.